What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm about to take the Blackwing on a quick little road trip for this 4th of July holiday weekend. We're going to go down to Kentucky. Now, I personally haven't been to Kentucky. Went there once, and that was to Camaro Fest a few years ago when I had the ZL1. Went down there with a convoy, had Blueprint 1LE, Taz B Grinding, and a couple others from the Camaro Club here in the Detroit area. So this time I am going just for no reason. I haven't been to Louisville, but besides for that event right there. So now I'm just going just to go. It's about the halfway mark for me and my sister. We're like, skip it. We're just gonna get an Airbnb and go down there, see what it's like to be in Louisville. So what I'm about to do now, it's gonna be me and the chillins. The last couple of years I've just been road tripping every car I got. So that's why I need these sedans, so I can make my road trips, because I don't mind driving. I drove all the way down to Florida in my Acura Integra, and I've been doing that with all my cars since that. Now it's my A-Spec. Did the same thing with the Type S. Took the WRX to Alabama. What car did I have before that? The Type S. I took that to Alabama, I think. I don't remember. But yeah, I've been taking all these cars on road trips, and this Blackwing is not going to be any different here. Thankfully, I got this wrap because I know all of this is going to be splattered with bugs, so I'm definitely going to protect the paint so I can just rinse all that bug goop off when I get back home. Haven't washed the car since I got the wrap, and I still haven't finished the wrap. I'm going to do some more to it, but we'll get to that later. Let's get in here and see what kind of gas we got going on. So I think we are pretty good on gas, but I just want to top it off because, like I mentioned in a previous video, I do not like stopping in these boonies to get gas. So with the WRX, I was able to make it all the way down to about Louisville, so I can get to Kentucky with one tank on that car. And I'm hoping I can do that on this car, because my fuel economy looking a little bit terrible right now. 14.8 over 60 miles. God, this car is terrible on gas. On the highway, it's pretty good though. I think I'm averaging like 23. But that's the reason I'm doing this video. That's something we gonna see. So I'm gonna take it easy. I wish I had like lane keep assist for when it gets boring. But we just got basic cruise control in here basically. Same type of thing the Miata got. So let's head to the gas station and see what it takes to top off. It says 209 miles to empty. I think it's probably like 3 gallons to top it off. We'll see. I'm forever shook when I pull into a gas station because I never remember what side the tank is on in each car. This car is on the right side, the Miata's on the left side. And dealing with press, well, I really don't put gas in the press cars, but I just never know. But thankfully they got the arrow on the gauge. If you're ever in doubt, that little arrow right there points to your gas tank. Shout out to No Limit. Silk used to be my favorite in No Limit, but the older I got, I realized dude can't really rap, and he raps off beat. But that's okay, because that's how Detroit rappers get on. We all rap off beat. Minus Eminem. All our current Detroit artists rap off beat. And not Big Sean either. But the people that aren't like A-tier or mainstream, super mainstream, they rap off beat. Sorry, but that's what it is. I'll put in that good 87. Just kidding. Gotta pay to play. 93. Oh, it's leaking. We have a bird nest right above our car. Will we get bird dookie on it? Let's see. I was off 4.5 gallons. $20 to top off. It was already basically full. Now that we all gassed up, I'm gonna go back home. I packed my suitcase, but I gotta put my stuff in the suitcase. Got to make sure the kids get their luggage and their snacks. And we're gonna load up in the morning and hit the road. Probably get on the road about 5 o'clock. The Airbnb check-in time is at 3 p.m. But I sent them a message to see if we can get in earlier, because I don't want to go to Louisville and just have nothing to do. But if not, then we'll just be hanging around until we can check into the Airbnb. So hopefully we can get there early. And then the checkout time is at 10 a.m. So I'll be there for like 3 days. Daughter's chasing a rabbit before we leave. It ran up on us. Then it ran away. I guess he thought, I don't know what he thought, honestly. But we got our luggages right here. Put it in the trunk. Put the big one in first. Oh yeah, we all set, I guess. Carry on. My backpack, in case I gotta do some work. I think we're all good. Got the car loaded up, so yeah, what it's looking like. Passenger in the front. got a lot of stuff in the back. Couple, 3 passengers back here, so full ride. So we got 282 miles to empty. Think we can beat that. GPS says we have 5.5 hours, so let's see if we can make that. Should get there at 12:51. No stopping. 5.5 hours later, we made it to the Airbnb. How was the ride, girls?
Good.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's something. Medium.
Medium? Why was it medium?
Because I was sleepy.
No, that's
Well, I
not.
wasn't sleepy.
Well, fuel economy didn't have to fill up. Averaging 27 miles per gallon, which is stellar. So we can easily get over 400 miles on the tank. We can't get in yet. Let me just take a look at the outside so we can see what we're looking like. We're downtown Louisville. So about 3 hours too early, but this is where we're going to be staying. No idea where we park. It says no parking there, so I'm not going to be here for too long. But it's a nice Airbnb on the outside. So we'll see what it's like on the inside in a few hours. So like Pinky, let me go find somewhere to go pee, and then I gotta get some food too. So we're about to get back in the car and find somewhere to go for like 3 hours. Didn't do too bad with bug this time. Actually, we do got some up there. The worst part of this road trip was going past semi-trucks, or semi-trucks going past semi-trucks. And it's taking them like 10 minutes to pass each other. So we're doing like 60 for a long stretch of highway. But we made good timing. We came in about maybe 3 minutes slower than what the GPS said. It said 12:51. We got here at like 12:57. That's a Toyota, by the way. Toyota Matrix sounding that loud. But all right, let me get back in the car because it's 90 degrees out here. Killed some time at the mall. Now we're finally back to our reservation, and we have this alley that we can park in, a gravel lot. So we couldn't park where we were earlier because we would get told that's a basketball court for the guests of this place. But let us get up in here and see what we're looking like. Take a look around here. We got putt-putt, cornhole. We got a bar up here, a grill. Some burgers.
What'd you say?
What's the pool looking like?
It's clean. It feels, the water feels good.
What's inside this thing?
No, it's because if the bird jumps out of the rust. What is that?
Is that a sauna? Maybe? All right, come back here,
Bro, a
girl.
sauna is so wild. I could never not have a sauna.
It's a sauna just being outside. Fire pit out here. It definitely feels like fire right now. So let us. Got a pool. I don't know how clean that is. If we're gonna be swimming in there or not. Got a hot tub right here, right behind me.
Oh, can I open it real quick?
Inside the unit, you gotta go on upstairs. This is one of the units. So we got both units upstairs. This one
Can I go upstairs?
and that one. There you are upstairs.
Oh,
Oh, we got the spiral
I'm gonna take off my
staircase here.
shoes.
I was.
I'm taking my shoes right here.
Table here. What we got over here? Bedroom, barn style doors. Gotta get one of those in my house. Nice lighting. View is looking all right. Bathroom over here. What we got here? Washer dryer.
There's only one
Not
bedroom.
granite. Refrigerator. There's no bedroom upstairs.
There is a bedroom, Jane.
Oh, there's 3 bedrooms.
I want
Let
this
me go
room.
up here. Make sure not to hit my head.
Dad, you. Wait, Dad. Do the other people? Does what is Koya have her? Do they have the different units?
Dad, come in and
And then we got 2 beds up here. Super nice up here. Turn some lights on. That's dope. Got some nice skylights. Closet. And what's behind that door? Kind of don't want to know. Maybe it's a utility thing. Got the air on. Nice clean. 2 big beds. TV. Another bathroom. So let's go check out the other unit. Nice view here. Vaulted ceilings. Got a whole other unit over here. Big nice windows. Huge TV.
There's a good view right here of the pool.
Stainless steel refrigerator.
Just come over
Nice
here.
wooden table.
I'm gonna finish.
Another spiral staircase.
Bedroom.
Dad, we need to buy some food.
There's a bedroom.
View
up
of the
here.
pool. I don't know. I'm gonna let them get in that pool or not. I don't know. What y'all think? Drop a comment. Let me know.
Dad, I want to go in that pool.
And then coming around here. Oh, we got a nice stove up in here.
Yeah.
God, what is that?
Okay.
Lounging area. Washer and dryer. Another king size bed.
Wait,
That's
that's
furniture in here.
huh?
TV.
Can you
Counter
just-
door. My car is parked down below.
Can I see?
Can barely see it. You see the little bit of orange.
I'm see.
We'll be able to see the next car. So we only got 2 parking spots. Everybody else will have to park on the street. What's over here? Toilet. Spiral staircase. Let's see what's over here.
Oh, there's sensory lights.
Dishwasher,
At least
which
not
is still
on-
running.
If you only get text the
So
right
somebody
one.
probably was actually here. Coming on up the stairs, feeling like Resident Evil right now. A little bit humid up here.
Dad, look what you can
And we
do.
got a couple other beds. Where's the light at? Curtains to. Oh, I can see you down there.
Look, Dad, look what the lamp. Cause you can just be sitting here and you just tap it.
That was one of those tap lamps.
Yeah.
Cool. It's the light in here. Oh, turns on all the lights. More huge beds. Tiles up in here. Beds galore. A little TV. Kentucky Derby. And then, what we got? Closet.
Bro, I think this is the core line door, guys.
I still had it.
It is? Can I go in there?
No, don't go in there. So nothing but insulation and itchy stuff. So what is there to do in Kentucky? You guys drop a comment, let me know. Think about the Corvette Museum, but mainly want to get these kids to go somewhere so they can have some fun. I don't know if Corvettes will be their thing, even though I am their Fasha.
I like Corvettes.
Bathroom. Okay, where's the lights? No light up in here.
It is a light.
Okay, again, close the curtain for this room up here. But yeah, this is pretty dope. All right, we'll catch y'all shortly. We left Kentucky, back here in Michigan, stopped in Dearborn. So, girls, how was the trip in the car? Let me start with Jay. So, was it comfortable riding in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you fell asleep a few times. So, Jasper, how did you feel in the back seat?
Oh, good.
Was it comfortable back there?
Now,
No? Why not?
because
Because what?
my stuffed using this thing is not going up. Because it didn't put it up.
Wait, what's that got to do with the comfort?
Oh, I don't know.
Well, we got her stuffy back here, which is all over the place.
Wait, where am I? I
And-
want to myself.
Got the cup holders folded down in the middle.
Can I,
And how much space do you have?
can I hold the camera to show you?
So she's got a little bit of space back there.
Daddy's not
So
recording.
she's all right. But guess where we're going to be eating lunch at? Ironically, we pulled up at Ford's Garage in a GM product. As I always say, I love a good troll. So that's going to wrap this up with the road trip. Actually, let me give y'all my thoughts on it. So, CT4 V Blackwing. It's a good road tripping car. Would be better if it had more space in here. The seats very firm. I think I finally got these things broken in, so it's softer than what it used to be. Or maybe I'm just used to sitting up in these seats. Not a whole lot of wiggle room. It's firm seats, so it's going to take a toll on your body over the last. I've been driving like 5.5 hours straight, so I feel okay. Turn the massaging seats on periodically, and it feels great. So it's a great car to road trip. Magnetic ride control does its thing. Like you guys know what that is. So it's smooth riding. Efficiency averaging 26.7 miles per gallon. and the trip computer is pretty spot on when it comes to that. And that's over 360 miles at 64.2 miles per hour. And that's all I'm gonna have to say about that. 95 degrees out here, we're hungry. I didn't eat today. It's already almost 4 o'clock. And yeah, just gotta get out here, burn, fast it.
Hurry up.
So yes, the kids saying hurry up, so I'm about to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up on road trip in the CT4 V Blackwing. If you're looking for one of these kind of cars to road trip, get the CT5 V Blackwing because it's gonna be more spacious. A little bit cramped in here, but my driver comfort is good. My rear passenger are a little bit cramped. So that's all I gotta say about that. You guys drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.